Welcome back everybody to another video where I'm demonstrating some of the features from a package called Laravel Factories Reloaded. So today we want to talk about relation, and here's an example how you can create related items in your test with the default factories. So here we're going to making 4 posts. So as you can see, we don't create them yet because each post belongs to a specific user and we don't know the user yet. But now that we have created the user here, we can now add this post to the specific user through the posts relationship. And this is how we get a user with 4 posts. Now we want to do the same with my package. So how can we do that? First, we're going to need to create a class-based factory for the posts model because we don't have that yet. So we call our factory and now we create it for the post. As you can see, you can also create all of the class-based factories if you have more than one model. But we only need the post factory and now we have it. Okay, so now instead of this here, what we're going to do is we're going to call our user factory. Like this, we call the new method to create a new instance of this factory. And now we want to say we want this user factory with a relation. So with this with method, we're going to define here our post model with the class. And then we need to define how the relationship is called, it's posts. And then we're going to tell how many we need. So let's say 4 and create. And with a little bit of luck, we should get here now back a user with 4 posts. So let's just dump this out, our user and the posts. And let's also only get the array. Let's run this test. And as you can see, we get back here an array with 4 posts, which are empty, but we don't care. But as you can see now, this is how we can use relationships with our class-based factories inside my package. So we can get rid of all of this. And now you can see this is much nicer. We get a new user, we want it with posts, and we want to create them. And that's how it's done. And this is how you can use relationships in your class-based factories. Again, this package only helps you to do this in a specific way. What you also could do is just make this yourself and create a method like with posts and maybe 4 and then create it. And you can easily implement this yourself inside your user factory because again, you own this class, you can do whatever you want. And in this case, this method would even be a little bit nicer than using my with method. But this with method is of course a good way to start and you don't have to implement it yourself.